Hi students, today I'm going to discuss how can we improve our accent. We have three types of accent. One is Australian, second is British, third is US. We are following British accent. English language is spoken globally. It is utilized throughout the world. You can communicate in each and every country by using English language. When you go for interview, if you are having hold in English language, you will be selected because English is part of personality also. Anyone who is fluent in English is confident, and that confident person will be selected easily by employers. When you are going through entrance exams, questions are written in English language. While reading statements, while writing answers, English language is utilized. Students, we can improve accent by practicing speaking of vowels. We have 20 vowels in English. Yes, we have 20 vowels. The beginning of 20 vowel is here. This is a, I, o, a. Again I am repeating. A, I, o, a. From here, vowels are taking shape of sound. We have 20 vowels in English, 24 consonants. I am having 3 columns with me. In first column, I am using 2 different vowels. See, EA, read, EA, speak, EA, dear. We can see that first vowel is dominating second vowel. Dial, IA, sound of I is dominating A. Dial, I. Look at this second column. Double O, O, double E, double E. In this, sound of vowel, similar vowel, is longer than this. I will take you here to here. Look at this now. As I told you that this is longer. O, 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 O. Getting my point now? I am beginning with this, going to this. This is how you can practice. This sound is longer. This is not wood. This is totally wrong. This is wood. Oh, wood, root, shoot, sheet, cheer. So students, it is mandatory to practice this so that we can produce correct sounds. Now third column, I am using single vowel. In third column, I am using single vowel. Here, sound is again, drum. There is no only single vowel is there. So the sound is just a hint of sound. Doctor. Single vowel is used. Here double vowel was used. That's why it was wood. It is single vowel. It will be doctor. Helper. Sound is there. So it is helper. Here it was she. E, This is the difference. When, again I am repeating, I am summarizing this whole concept. When we are using 2 different vowels together, first vowel first vowel will dominate sound of second vowel. When we are using two similar vowels, the sound will be longer than this. When we are using single vowel, there will be a hint of vowel. So students, this is how we can practice. For this, you need to identify, you need to search words like this. From there, you can practice speaking. You can take hint from this chart. Another area which is important while speaking is your mouth. Mouth is the area through which air moves out. Okay? When we block this air, consonant is spoken. When we are letting air move out freely without any blockage, what is happening? Vowel is produced. Take example. I'm not blocking it. Oh, I am not blocking it. Now I will block. Ba, 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 b, b, d, h, k, l, m, n, z. I have spoken few consonants, and I am blocking air in each case. B, D, H, K. So, when we block air, we are speaking consonants. When we are letting air freely through mouth, it is sound of vowel which is produced. Look at this image. This area is very important. We need to practice this. Upper lip, lower lip, teeth, tongue. This tongue is very important. We need to practice this. It should be flexible. Tongue should be flexible. You are not supposed to rotate, to curve. No, that is wrong. It should be natural. It should be flexible. You need to practice this. You need to exercise this. I had told you in classroom that you need to touch your nose like this. I am unable to do this, but my tongue is flexible enough by exercising this. So students, you need to have flexible tongue. If it will be flexible, it will be easy for you. You should not be worried about how can you speak properly. Let it be flexible. Take it easy. Let the air move out freely. Okay, according to words. So, I have written two words. Both are beginning with similar sound. Va. Both are beginning with similar sound. Va. What is the difference? How can we recognize that which is V, which is Va? This is word. While speaking this sound, I am just taking round shape. Va. Va. Here I am touching my upper lip with teeth. Victory. I am touching my teeth with lower lip. I am touching my upper teeth with lower lip. Victory. This is word. This is victory. So this is how you can speak without copying any US person, any Australian person, any British person. You should be depending on your own. You should be speaking naturally, and always remember that tongue should be flexible, and you need to identify, you need to search words under this category, and you should practice. As I have told you, sound system of two vowels, two different vowels, and single vowel. So students, this was today's topic. I will present grammar topics in next video. I will start with grammar. Kindly share your ideas and views in comment sections. If you have any doubt, I will try my level best to rectify those problems. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.